Hey, welcome to A Rich Worldview. I'm Rich Blundell. I thought this video might need a little narration because there's quite a bit of wind noise. It's an Earth story that goes something like this. Okay, so I'm watching these laughing gulls. They're eating something, and I am determined to figure out what it is that they are so excited about. And I got really curious, and so I asked them to show me what it is that they were eating. And I go up and I wait and I look and I can't see it. Show me again. Let's see. Do it again. Teach me. Show me the creative life force. I'm afraid I just don't see it. I just don't see it. I'm gonna sit and watch. That's when the light started to work on me. Wow, look at that. And then the water started to catch my attention. Wow. And then the wind started to speak to me. And then egrets showed up. And then suddenly there was grackles on the beach. Everybody's participating now. And then suddenly there were terns all around. And then there was this flurry of feeding. And then suddenly there was all these birds feeding around me, and I got drawn into this matrix of excitement. And then I realized that they were showing me. And so then I decided to look again. Okay. So what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? What's there? And suddenly I could see. I actually think I see it. You have to look very closely, but there's like millions of tiny fish there. You can't see them until you see them. You can't see them. They're just there. They're just everywhere. They're there. You can see them. There's millions of them. Oh, this is it. This is the creative life force. In that moment of being lost in the pure, joyous, free abundance of nature, with all those other animals showing me how to do it, I was given an opportunity to see. And that's when I got the message, really, to go up and look again. To be curious about something, and then to ask it to show itself. To literally ask nature to show you the creative life force. And then to be patient. And to be still. And to allow it to show itself on its terms. And then once it does show itself to you, you see this abundance. And then all the creatures that are just being, and they're showing you how to just be, then you get to participate. You get to participate in all of that abundance. It's simply about showing up, being humble, asking for it to reveal itself, and being willing to see it. This is the entire concept of right relationship and of being entangled in oika, in the creative life force of nature. It's not a metaphor. This is what it means to fall in love with the world.